Hello, my name is Art Kleinendorst. I am a customer support engineer at Dialog Semiconductor. In this video, I'm going to talk about software updates over the air, or as we call it, Suota. I would like to introduce the Suota of the DA1468x family and give you a demonstration how to use it. With Suota, users can easily update the software of devices wirelessly. The Suota uses BLE commands to receive the content of the new image from a peer device, for example a smartphone, and write it into the firmware update partition, located in the flash memory. When the new image has been received, Subota updates the image header to mark that the software is pending for update. Then the Subota will reboot the device. After the reboot is completed, the bootloader checks the image header. It knows there's a new image pending for update. It will transfer the image to the executable partition and it will update the image header to change the state of the software as executable. Now the bootloader will jump to the new firmware and starts executing. So in order to use Suota, the bootloader needs to be programmed in the bootloader partition. I will now demonstrate how to update a new image using Suota. Before showing this in practice, the following preparations need to be done. Install Smart Snippet Studio as the integrated development environment and download the latest Smart Snippets DA1468x SDK. You can find them all on the SmartOne support website. Open Smart Snippet Studio and import the proximity reporter, BLE Subota loader and scripts. Connect the DA14681 development kit to your PC via USB. Here we are using the DA14681 development kit Pro, where you use USB port 2. On the development kit Basic, you find only one USB port. Install the Dialog Subota smartphone application on your smartphone. You can find the application in the App Store or the Google Play Store. After downloading this app, you can start the Subota operation. First, you have to build the imported project in the Smart Snippet Studio. Build the BLE Subota loader using the DA14681 Release QSPI configuration. This is the bootloader project. Build the proximity reporter using the Release QSPI Subota configuration. This configuration enables the Subota-related functions of the project. Next thing to do is to create a Suota image. A Suota image is a binary file with a proper header that can be sent to a target device from an Android or iOS device. To create the image, open a command prompt and navigate to the Proximity Reporter folder. Run the make image script. A new image named Proximity Reporter 1001 contains a version number taken from the software version header file. It will be created in the release folder. Copy the Suota image to your mobile device and place it in the folder named Suota. To ensure that the correct partition table will be used, erase the whole flash using the erase QSPI script. Download the BLE Suota loader and the Proximity Reporter images using Suota initial flash script. This script will download both binaries into the bootloader and the firmware executable partitions. Press the reset button on the development kit board. The bootloader will start executing the Proximity Reporter image. Now you can open the Dialog Subota smartphone application. Select Update Device. Select the appropriate image file. Wait until the process is completed. When the image is uploaded, a dialog box will pop up and ask to reboot the device. Select OK. Wait several seconds, come back to the main view of the Suota application. You will see the device has started advertising with a new image. This is the end of this video. I have shown how to use Suota. Additional information can be found on the Dialog Smartband support website or our forum. Thank you for watching this video.